welcome back to my channel. This is the front bumper of this ZX300 TT. TT means twin turbo, 1991 beast, classic, sport, Japanese car. Let's remove this front bumper and welcome back to R91 Motors. I'm gonna start this car up, right? And I think I need to remove a couple of bolts in here, I believe. I see some videos, but I never actually understand things. So we're gonna go for this together and try to remove this bumper. But let me start the car up so I can undo that 10mm bolts up there. Car has got only 115,000 kilometers, which is not a lot as well. As you see, the engine sounds pretty rough. Also, I think there is exhaust leak. It sounds pretty bad, to be honest. So there we go, we got space up there. We're going to use the cups like this. I put the screws in, I put some paper and write it down where's it coming from, because you know you can mix them easy up. So there we go, we've got another 10mm in here. Let's show you. It's going to be long videos, but so that's the 10mm up there. I think removing that 10mm, this corner will come out. Let's try that. Yep. So that's going to come. Yep, which is good. So now we're going to crack on, remove these two boys. And exactly the same I'm going to do this side as well. There is two boys in here, 10mm. So let's remove these two as well. Lovely, so one piece was missing in here, basically one screw. Now we do exactly this. Basically what we see in here, we got 1, 2, and also 3. One goes, so basically one in here, one in here, one in here, one in here. So 2 from the signal light apartment, and 2 from this side in here. Also from the bracket, 2 boys in here, 2 boys in here, and exactly the same that side, and I think the bumper will be off. Should be off in a second. So now I know why the 90s cars, the sport cars, was so heavy. It's so many bolts. Like, look at these guys. Just to remove this bumper, how many bolts is there? It's like about half a kilo up there, plus the bumper as well. You got the brackets. I mean, it's nice and solid. Well, someone, look, it's more coming. Like, obviously someone did something before me. What is that? Like, what is this? Look, it doesn't look too good. So basically, I don't know even why I took these things off. Okay, but this bumper, basically, we can see in here, there's metal bracket, aluminium in here, metal brackets. I mean, it's a proper. It's not. I mean, I like that. To be honest, I like that better than I got this A7 or A6. Yes, to remove the bumper, let's say, is a million times faster. But this is the quality. When you put everything back on, at least, like language, it's just impossible actually to, like, not line it up. But anyways,